Market Keys, and in this video I will be talking about the best Forex broker the world has ever seen. All right, guys, but I'm very serious. Hotforex is, if not the best, one of the best Forex brokers in the world right now. Um, they are very trustworthy. You get paid on time. They have a lot of deposit methods. They have a lot of withdrawal methods. Your money is safe. You don't really have to worry about anything. All right. And they also have wonderful spreads. All right, guys. Now, Hot Forex has been around for more than a decade, I think. I have used other brokers like Traders Way, FX Glory, a lot of other brokers that they didn't really work out well for me. So recently, when I got back into trading, I a friend recommended Hot Forex to me, so I said, okay, I'm going to sign up. So I submitted my documents. The approval process was very quick, and in no time, I was able to start trading. Now, what I love the most about this particular broker is that you have a very low minimum deposit. Um, as you know, many brokers sometimes they have a large minimum deposit, like a $100 or $500 or even $1,000 sometimes. But for this particular broker, the minimum deposit was only $10. All right, and that was very impressive for me, because that means that if you're a beginner and you're new to trading and you don't have a lot of money and you just want to see how this entire thing works, trading with a broker and everything like that, Hot Forex is going to be amazing for you, okay? Because it's built for both beginners and advanced traders. Okay, so we're going to look at some of their features, some of their products, and some of the things that they offer. Hold on. Okay. So this is one of the few brokers that they actually have their own app in the App Store. So, maybe you don't want to log on to your computer every day and look into your account. You can actually just use your phone once you remember your password and your login and everything. Now, we're going to look at the instruments that they have. Of course, you can trade Forex, all right? That's very common. You have metals, gold, silver, copper, sugar, all of those. You also have stocks. So if you're a person who loves to trade Apple or Google, you can. Indices. Some of you love US 30, NAS, all those indices. I don't like indices, so I don't really have much to say about them. But the point is that you have a lot of options for you to choose from, and there are many instruments for you to trade with. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to log into my account, but I'm just showing you guys what their website looks like. And let me give you guys a tip. One way that you can know if a broker is trustworthy or if they have a good reputation, look at their partners. Okay? Just look at their partners. Hot Forex, they partner with Paris Saint-Germain, which is like a very big European football team. Okay? So whenever these guys play, they have to promote Hot Forex. Okay? So this is a very big thing. All right? So this just shows you that in terms of reputation, they are actually one of the very best. So I'm going to log into my account now just to show you guys how it works. Hold on. Let me just log in quickly. All right, cool. So this is my account. Up here, you'll normally see balance. So let me just go to wallet so that you guys can actually see that this is an account that I use a lot. I'm going to look at wallet finances. Yeah, let's do that. All right, so you can see this is an account that I use a lot. I use it for different transfers between my accounts and things like that. I do a lot of withdrawals as well. Okay, so you can withdraw with Skrill. I'm sure you guys know Skrill. And you can also withdraw with your Visa card or your MasterCard. Okay, so yeah, just showing you guys that. Let me show you something else which is important. I'm going to view my accounts so that you guys can take a look at something. All right, so every account, so depending on how much you trade, every account will have metrics to let you know how good you're doing, how bad you're doing. So you can see on this particular account, I wasn't doing very good because I deposited $400 and I only withdrew 300. So that means, I lost a little bit of money because of poor trading. Okay. And you'll see the monthly gain, daily gain, different things like that, your average profit per trade, your average loss per trade. You get advanced statistics and everything. So guys, they'll help you to identify how well you're trading because they provide all the tools and all the things that you need to become a better trader. Okay. Now, in terms of their customer support is very good actually, because I actually call them occasionally and they get back to me. I remember last week Sunday I had an issue, and bear in mind that Sunday is still the weekend, they don't have to answer, but I send them something. I wanted to update my address on the account or something like that, and like within 30 minutes they were able to do this for me. Okay, so definitely I highly recommend this broker. I'm going to show you how to deposit. So you can deposit by credit cards, so you can choose any of these ways. All of them basically mean credit cards. You can do bank transfer. I don't like bank transfers because they take too long. I'm very impatient. Look at the alternatives. So I use Skrill a lot and I use crypto payments a lot. So for crypto, you can use BitPay, you can use Skrill, you can use Neteller. Please remember that the way that you deposit the first time is the way that you will do your first withdrawal. So if you deposit $100 by credit card, then when you do your withdrawal, you have to withdraw it back to that same card. Okay, and also if you deposit with Skrill, you have to withdraw with Skrill. All right, so just keep that in mind, guys. Let me show you the different accounts that they have very quickly. All right, let me try to open a live account so that you guys can see. All right, so they have three types of accounts. They have premium, micro, and zero spread. All right, so zero spread account, they have spreads from 0 pips. So that does not mean that all of their spreads will be 0. It just means that, yeah, it's from 0 pips. So this account will actually have the least amount of spread, which is good. All right, and you can see the leverage and you can see the minimum deposit. Now, if you're a beginner, my recommendation, get the micro account, because see, the minimum deposit has been lowered to $5, so you can just try this for $5. So you just make your deposit of $5 and open your live account. Very simple. You practice opening a trade and stuff like that. All right, so this is how you actually get started, guys. I recommend premium if you're an advanced or intermediate trader, just because that you can trade within the HFM app if you want and stuff like that. But if you like trading with a lot of leverage, then you should go for the micro account. All right, and if you hate a lot of spreads, you can choose the zero spread account. And also, if you have a Forex robot, the zero spread account is perfect for you. All right, guys. So I will put the link in the description of this video to Hotforex. You can go ahead and visit the website and do your own reading and research. It's very easy to sign up. It's free to sign up. Just create your account and start trading. All right, guys. The link is in the description. Take care. See you soon.